Hey everybody, today I want to talk about my favorite daily staple food, also makes a great survival food, that's going to be lentils, which is extremely nutritious and it has plant-based B vitamins and proteins. I like to add homegrown vegetables, these are homegrown potatoes, but for this recipe today I'm going to keep it relatively simple, and all you really need are some lentils, sweet yellow onion, vegetable oil or grease, and optionally, if you want to add more flavor, you can add some salt, potato, and chili sauce. And I do definitely recommend the chili sauce if you can get your hands on it, or you even make some at home out of vinegar and chili. But we're going to start by preheating a pan and getting your vegetable oil or grease in there, and just setting that to like a medium-high heat, just to get it going. And then while that's preheating, we're going to go ahead and grab our onion and cut it in half with the bulb on the top of one of the halves. And then very carefully, I'm going to go ahead and remove that little nub at the end and do a triangle cut. You got to watch your fingers here because onions are slippery, but just be cautious. And then I'm going to go ahead and cut the first layer of skin off, just making a little incision here and then peeling it off, because that first layer is usually very rubbery and flavorless. I suppose if it was a real survival situation, you could just take the skin only off and leave the rest, but generally I like to remove that first layer. And then what we want to do is cut that lengthwise and just make strips. And they don't need to be super fine. They don't need to be like finely diced or anything, because we're just going to fry these for flavor, and it's not super important that they have a fine texture per se. So we'll go ahead and do the other half now. So we're using one whole sweet yellow onion for the recipe. You don't really need more. And then we're going to gently put that into the hot oil, and careful not to splash. But we're going to go ahead and get these nice and caramelized, and that's going to bring out the flavor. It's going to break down some of the starches into sugar. It's going to get rid of some of that highly acidic taste that onions have. So once these have become decently caramelized, they don't need to be totally brown, but kind of brown around the edges, kind of golden like so, to where they have a little bit of crunch to them still, but not a whole lot. At that point, we're going to go ahead and add some water. And the purpose of this is to make that nice flavorful base to put our lentils in. So the water should be sort of brown, sort of golden like this. It shouldn't be too clear. The more caramelized it is, the more flavor you're going to get in the final product. So once we bring that up to a boil, we're going to go ahead and add our lentils, and we need to make sure not to add too many, because we need to assume that they're going to quadruple in volume, right? So make sure your container can handle them quadrupling in volume. I'm going to go ahead and turn down the heat to like a low heat, just enough to keep them bubbling, and kind of stir them around, make sure they get evenly heated, because as they heat up, that's when they expand. Sometimes the water will run low and I'll add a little extra. And we're not going to add salt yet though, because if you put salt in now, it'll mess with the texture. You got to wait till later. And then once they've quadrupled in size, like so, you can see that they're kind of running out of room in our container. And this means they're pretty much done, so to speak. So now we're going to go ahead and add our salt. And we want to go ahead and carefully homogenize that around. The purpose of the salt's not just for flavor, it's also going to help preserve them. Because salt is antimicrobial, and lentils can spoil kind of quick if you don't salt them, so they'll last longer this way. So we're going to go ahead and mix those up, and going to go ahead and add that in a canteen cup to some rice and a little bit of oil, just to give it some more substance. So we're going to go ahead and add our chili sauce, and that's going to liven it up. Then once we've got the oil and the sauce in there, we're going to go ahead and just kind of mix it up with a spoon, homogenize it, and get all of the grains of the lentils and the rice coated. And it's going to look kind of like this, where it's just nice and smooth and homogenized. It's going to be so full of flavor. This is such a healthy dish for you. It's going to keep you alive, B vitamins, complete protein, carbs, everything you need, minerals. And it's a daily staple of mine. It's dirt cheap, costs absolutely nothing to buy these things in the store, and you can even grow a lot of these ingredients in your garden. And I highly recommend you try it. I love it. I think you're going to love it too. It's fantastic.